Good vibration, excitation, nice. What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike in the Mojo Show. A little under the weather yesterday, so I didn't really do the show, and the trading's been just phenomenal in the room. Lots of things been happening. I'll update you on that, and I'll share what you guys have missed in the Mojo Show. So right now in the Mojo room, I have the stock WPRT right here at 357. You see it by 363. I own this stock at $2.40. I got like 10,000 shares of this stock right here. See this stock right here? But I own it a while back. I own it about right here. After this dump, see this dump, and then it went up again, and I still held it. Came down, and now it's making its move. The top right up here is 433. It's 360 by 365. It's called Westport Fuel Systems. And it's similar to like this pick that I picked. I picked IGC right here at 80 cents, 72 cents to go through $1 and then keep on going. And it's now $2. And this is within the last couple of days. So if you're a member of my Swing Trade newsletter, you got that pick. Here's the picks. The first one was AMMA, which blasted from 42 to way over 50. So AMMA was the first one. And it went to 62. So it went to 62 from 42. And then this one, we're not going to marry it either. We're looking in one direction towards $1 IGC at 71 cents. And this was just sent out Monday, August 27th at 8:58 a.m. And IGC right now is $2. Went to 205 already. And we already called it through Hines this morning, which was right here. I got the wrong glasses on. I'm like, dude, I can't even see. I'm like, whoa, those are my driving glasses. So we have IGC right here at 189, 190. We're going to go through Hines 2. I'm on it. And PXLW also will be in play today. And WPRT, which was my swing pick right here at 320 by 347, is now 370. 365 by 368. AFMD was a stock we had yesterday right here that we picked in the day trade room at $4. I'll scroll back up to yesterday morning and I'll catch you up. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel if you don't subscribe in that bottom right hand corner, so when I go live, click that bell, you'll get notified. That's how that works. Let me fix this. Let me give you another one. So what I have is a home-based business profit system for anybody with low barrier of entry to get in and start trading stocks and day trade for a living. Most of the people that are in this day trade room, there's 48 of them, are doing this for a living. This is their career. This is where they come every morning. This is their routine, and that's what we do. So let's start the day off right here on staff. Right here, it's going to go lower, 325. We went lower. We got some staff, 320s. Right there, 324. And then the TVIX through 31 right there. and Able 419. Those were the three stocks yesterday that we traded. Able was really nice, started to take off 430, 434. Staff right here at 307, 309. We're going to wait to 277 to 82. Staff was a great pick. TVIX went through 31. Able up at 450. Made $700 on TVIX and $1,200 on TVIX. Wriggle started moving. Wriggle was a big move. So yesterday, Mike D. Allen in 9:57 and 30 minutes made 1,700. Mike D. 120. Tom 370. Then we have Jefferson made 87. Parks 187. Leeson 429. Everyone's profitable in my room. This is a trading team. This is a proven profit system where the same repetition of patterns happens day after day, and guys are able to, and gals are able to capitalize on that for several $100s within a short period of time. And when you compound this on a daily basis, it turns out to a lot on a monthly basis. I like that. When you make that on a daily basis, you compound it on a monthly. And then we traded. I was up to 158. I capped it at 500. Dow 26,000 record. And we did the Heinz trade play. A lot of people come in and ask about the Heinz. Made 3,520 on the large. Ooh, look at Gerard. I didn't even see that. Eating sushi at his desk. Pro Trader Mar made 901. Very nice. Traders are doing real well. All right, so TVIX still holding. Look at this hold, 3,000 shares, unrealized, $1,400, and it's moving 31.64. Great trade right there. 100 shares at 31.36, $71 on TVIX. Everyone should have 100 shares of TVIX like I do at 31.36. Now I'm up 290 and 59.50. Parks 192, great job. Joe made $195 on $1,000, great job. Everyone's making money in the Mojo room. This is what we do. $356 total on $33 commission on 89 tickets. I pressed the button 89 times to do 13,200 shares. I used $3,140 in buying power and made $356. That's how you trade. This is how you run a small business. I could show anybody. You need $500 to start an account like that. I made $356 in one day off $500. $33 commission. $356 total, 89 tickets, scaling like a champion, 13,000 shares, costed me $33. Then AFMD at $5, right there. We're playing it through 5. We already played it earlier. And right there, AFMD is 660. IGC was the big pick. Check it out. Was my swing pick. Right here, India globalization. He tweeted that. But let me show you my pick. 60% gain on IGC. IGC, amazing pick. Let's jump to that one. Last Monday, IGC, what a great pick. At $1.06. This is us playing it through $1. Now it's $2. Everyone made a lot of money. Morning, Mojos. Let me see, I got this going. Let me go put my mic on in the room. Going on, day trade room? I'm live on YouTube doing good stuff. Let me see anybody on YouTube. Hey, good morning, Edwin. Good morning, Alex. Nobody's on YouTube. Hey, good morning. Morning. So, yeah, some really great stocks. And now I'm in WPRT at 370. Going to $4. See, let me show you right here. See? This is my my message to my bud right here. See? I've been real busy. I'll try this week. WPRT will write at 3. See it? See, that was yesterday at 7:52 p.m. And now the stock right here is 370, up 28%. Amazing, right? What I do. Let me read an email I got from one of my boys. This is from Monday at 10:40 p.m. Let me cover the person's name. So I asked one of my traders, how can I make MOJO Day Trading a little bit better? And this is what he wrote to me. One of the guys that's been with me for a little while. He goes, you want to know that the greatest pick I ever made in the stock market was the ticker symbol MOJO Money. You in the room served its ultimate purpose. Yeah, to make money, of course, but above that, educating proper and effective trading. Simple and more rewarding than the MOJO system, it could never be. The real question is, what makes a room great to you? I've never really hopped around to any other rooms, I'm proud to say that. I'm from the streets, and loyalty means everything to me. I peeked at other places and in other chats to try to draft people, but knowing and seeing how lost in the gibberish they speak is so annoying to me, I didn't even bother to interact because I know the fibs, the VWAPs, the MACDs, the cells, the walls are all bullshit, man, seriously. I've been in the Mojo room long enough to know what irritates you and what can tick you off or push your buttons. Most of the time, what that really is lack of participation in the room, seeming dead, which is what I think you want. The chat flooded and people talking. But here's the thing. You're a militant individual. You don't allow for people, especially newcomers, to pollute with misinformation, bogus ideas, and front-run picks. You've bred the majority of us pro traders to shoo and dismiss those kind of personas away from, it made me like cry, this thing, personas away from our controlled environment to sniff out the moles and keep one thing in mind, to keep it profitable and shut it off. Because of that, traders obey and leave early while others just become timid till they've caught our lingo and actually know what tickles our fancy when it comes to picks and conversation, resulting in a stagnant chat sometimes. But don't confuse that with the room sucking, because it doesn't at all, not in any aspect. Few are the ones that are so hooked to stocks and crypto like us to point out where we've searched every crevice of the web for info and the next big pick and stayed glued to our screens. This is our lives and obsession, which is part of the reason I was once top participator on the leaderboard 13 months in a row, second only to you. This is the actual email. A few other ones. Here it is. It's a long email. Yes, I counted, and I don't mean to brag. Again, I asked, what makes a great room great to you? Maybe it's that you want more subscribers. MOJO Day Trading is organic as it gets. Every follower and every pro trader or aspiring pro trader, that is involved in the room because your relentless and hustle mentality reeled them in with your charisma and real deal results after the fact that they somehow ran into you on the World Wide Web. That's not easy, my friend. I've always been amazed by that. That somehow I ran into you on YouTube video somehow. The other wannabes don't have your keen eye on picks, but they got thousands upon thousands of schmucks that drift and buy into their bull for a season before they get screwed and move on, and the cycle continues and they're replaced by new gullible suckers. We don't have that issue because once you're in and you have pro trader status, you don't want to leave. You really have traders with you for years. You've always told me Tim Sykes isn't rich because he's a good trader. He's rich because he knows how to advertise and lure people in with the incentive, with some type of incentive, some catch. Well, you're rich, and by last name, and because you're the greatest trader on the planet, you don't advertise. But you don't advertise. Why isn't that before every damn YouTube I have to watch Ty Lopez guy or whoever heck his face for 15 seconds before I can skip to what I want? I'll read it from here. Why can't your face be plastered before every YouTube video? I know money's not an obstacle for you if that's what you really wanted. You definitely have a way more to offer than anybody of them. Your mining farm alone is a greater backdrop than some stupid beach or played out rented Lambo and house used for props for commercial advertising. Not to mention you have all the above, and it's actually you're the true owner. Great email, huh? Because I don't like to plaster my stuff all over the web. Aside from that, in the room at the present time, I've always thought it could be more motivating to do some type of giveaway or raffle during the show, like spinning a wheel in a game show. It can go from random crypto coins, prize winners. What the competition could be, I don't know, but we could be creative and come up with something. We could push even a new fashion. Some of the smaller things have a big impact in the room because they're all learning your friend Bruce Wayne. There you go. That's a great email. Yeah, it's a great email. Art Todd, I've checked. I love the letter you just read. I've checked out a few other rooms over the years, but all they do is throw out large lists and many strikeouts. Pro Trader Mike keeps it simple. Picks are a few, great opportunities and wins. We watch and learn and win as well. I stay quiet as I'm learning and watch the master. I like that, buddy. Thank you. A gift. Dude, it's amazing. It's cool. Thank you for all that stuff, guys. See? You just got to change. I'm going to change things around and put a little spin on the mojo. See, like it's these things. See these things? What do you see about this? I saw that at the register yesterday in Whole Foods. What do you see about that? See that? Dude, it's a lemon drop. All it is a lemon. I never would have bought it if it had lemon drop with a lemon head on it, but it says natural stress relief. So I picked it up. I'm going to pop one before every time I trade. That's what, all you got to do is change the wrapping. So I'm going to change the wrapping on the Mojo and change it around a little bit, and everyone's going to buy it. Because what I've been doing, they've been sitting there as lemon heads. You know what I mean? Ooh, look at that. You press the top. All they are is little lemon, little lozenges, in a cool can. You package it right. You put the right thing on there. Make it taste good. There you go, baby. I've never been in any other room. Mike is all I know, and I have no desire to go anywhere else. Pro Trader Kelly. Love it. My 50 pro traders. And that's what we do. So that's nice. We traded some good stocks. IGC ripped. WPRT, amazing, at 380 now. Amazing. Dude, if this dude, whoa, 380. Please sell half into this run. Come on, man. Sell 3,500 shares at 380 plus is nice. Come on now. I sell half. Come on now, Bubba. Got my mining's going up. Sweet. Profits on the mining are going up nicely. Let me check it out. Dude, mining profits are going up. Check it out. Let me show you. This was today's pick. All you have to do is dive in, man, and check out the pool. Pool's nice. So we got Ethereum at 295, and I picked the Bitcoin to go over 7,000. Bitcoin right now is 7,100, and Ethereum is about to go through 300. And I picked these both in the crypto channel in the Mojo room for my traders right here. We're going to do a V-band 7,000, buy 6,900, add 6,995, add again at 6,997, and the same thing with Ethereum. And this was last Monday at 10. Okay? And Bitcoin right there just started its move at 69. And that's how we rock and roll. Waited patiently for that, just like WP. So we have the top miner here, 1.3 million mega hash, should be at about $1 million a month in revs. Let's check him out. All right. He is at 812. He's probably around 1,000,000. Very steady. That's Genesis mining right here. $65. He gets paid 19,000 US dollars per payment, and he's getting paid he's gotten paid once. This is his first pay. Yesterday he got paid once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. He makes a day $27,000 a day, 200,000+ a week. Very nice. Here's Mojo. Mojo's at 5,000 mega hash. Pretty steady across the board. Mining profits are going up, which are very nice. I'm getting paid. I've made in the last month around 12 Ethereum, and right now I'm getting paid twice a day, approximately, a little bit more. 0.29 I got paid on that last one. I'm at 0.8 right now. 42% of my Ethereum payout's been reached. I'll make it in about 8 hours. And that's how that works. I didn't know I can move that up. That's cool. Move that to the top. Cool, I have 2 cameras now. Let me put my name right underneath that. Cool. Morning, Mojos. What time is it? 9:16. We have some good stocks. AFMD, Toppy at 660. Did a Marabuzu close. Continued gap up $1. IGC at 185. Now already been to 205. MYND at 173. CSIQ on the move at 1440. WPRT at 380 now. And if my buddy doesn't wake up and text me back, dude, it's like all good. You know why? Because I just took one of those natural stress relievers. I'm like, dude, chilling. Nice. Look at that, $4 signal on WPRT. See, those are my picks, boys. You want to see my pick? Been holding it for a while, dude. My WP. Want to see? WPRT. It's a Ken Slim, of course. Don't even mess around with Ken Slim, boys. You know that? You can't mess around with the Ken Slim. My birthday pick on August 7th. $1.50. See it? Westport Fuel Systems increased earnings estimates for 2 years into 2016 and 17. I picked it last year, dude. I've been holding it for a long time. Now they're finally doing their thing. See it? Made a move over to 309. New CEO. Ken Slim action, boys. They took that loss, turned it into a profit, just like they said. They were going to go from a loss of $1.53 to a loss of 87 to a loss of 35 to gaining profitability. That's the first one on WPRT. And here's my second at WPRT right here. See it? Up 113% on the last quarter with 60% increase in earnings. See that? Analysts increased estimates from -54 into 35 and increased it. See that? Mojo's all over that. That's who move these things, or the pension funds, the retail, all the big boys. And that's my Westport Fuel Systems pick. This is my IGC pick. You want to see IGC? Here's IGC, 71 cents. Look, India globalization. I picked it on August 24th, right from my database, increasing volume up on 8.7 million shares, breaking out above 68 cents, going to make a move to $1. All beautiful 4 quarters, and the last quarter was 999% increase. The quarter before that was a 999% increase. They went from 200,000 to 800,000 to 1.1 million to 1.5 million in revenues. They went from a loss of a penny to a loss of 2 to a loss of 2 to a loss of 2. But now they're probably going to make money, and India globalization is going to be popping, which it already did, and that's why I called it at 71 cents to go to $1, and now it's at $2. And it's Wednesday. And the only way you got that is if you were subscribed to my newsletter and you joined. But the newsletter's going away. And so is the MOJO Day Trade Room. You can't join anymore. Can't join. We're going to be an elite family of business owners. If you want to own a business, you can come and set up a business in the MOJO Day Trade Room. But otherwise, there's a lot of other rooms that you can go to and join in chitter chatter and screw around. So I got the picks. What happens when you don't do the picks? That's a good question. That went off the reservation with his own picks. Right there. Cool. We're going to have a good trading day. It's 9:21 a.m. I'm checking all my scanners, doing all my routine. 51 coming in the room. 8 down below. 13 are leaving again. Sorry, dudes. I cleaned you out before. You guys are back. I kicked out 50 people before. We're not. I'm done. I'm done. See, like this guy. See this guy right here. Look. Well, I say hello to everybody. Nobody answers me back, so don't come to my room. You don't chat in the room, leave. Four. How many times am I going to message you, dude? Here's his email. He copies the email before he leaves. This guy right here, all he does is chat in the room, but never join. So bye. And ready. Chatted like 7 times yesterday. Done. Everyone's just pro traders in the room. That's it. Got a couple people that are trade right here. I have to check them to see if they even have subscriptions because they probably don't. And that's it. If you're not a pro trader, then what's the purpose? Like this guy Tech, I don't even know if these guys even have subscriptions and shit. Yeah, he don't have no subscription. He did the annual membership. There's probably an old video of Mike kicking me out when I first tried to join. Couldn't figure out Discord. Yeah. Iron Man. Dude, you know the Iron Man thing. Add back. Let's kick him out. All right, 924. What do we got? TLRY. Can you believe this stock? We picked it at $30 like a week ago. It's 60. Amazing. All right, guys, listen, you want to come join MOJO Day Trading? Don't come in the MOJO Day Trade room. You got to come up with a subscription before all the subscriptions are gone because things are changing. Oof. Well, what does the average trader make in my room? Let me show you. The average trader I already got this going. Okay, the average over all of the gamut makes $273 a day times 240 days. $65,000. Okay, because most of the guys are small. The average top 10 traders make this. $13 a day and make $315,000 a year in 30 minutes each day in the MOJO Day Trade Room. WPRT 85, baby. Look, my pick. That's my pick. That's my pick. See the signal at 4? How do I pick the biggest winners over and over and over? I'm going to start the screen share, guys, and end the YouTube. Peace. Keep it profitable, everybody. Thank you for watching on YouTube. Beto, make question. The question is what? Check that out. I got something. All your pro traders in your team. Make question. The question is lose. Yeah, we lose on trades, but we don't lose pretty much on the day. Hard to lose when you have a good system that's repeatable over and over and over, trackable, traceable, transparent, works for the masses, based on positive expectancy. Can't get no better than that. Can't get no better than that. Anybody that says anything negative, small people always do that.